Hello guys, welcome to VITrendz Chennai. I am Mishra. I am from first year CSC core branch. Today is the problem 15th of the PoD text series. Let's start with the today's code. The problem is distant travel by aunt. The problem is saying books in the library shelves are arranged as shown in the below, and an aunt travel on the top of the books from the cover nth books to the back of the cover mth book. The ant may travel in either direction, left or right. This means it can travel from left to right or can travel from right to left. Assume that all the books in the shelves are of uniform thickness and thickness of the covers are negligible. We are given with the direction of the ant that moves, the value of the m, n and the thickness of the book. We have to write the program to find the distance traveled by the ant. For example, if the ant travel from the 7th book to the 12th book from left to right side and the thickness of the book is 3 cm, then the distance traveled by the ant is 12 cm. And when the ant travel from the 5th book to the 13th book from right to left and the thickness is given is 2.5, then the distance is 22.50. Let me explain you, and we have to print in the 2 decimal place distance. Let me explain an example. We are given with the two cases. Let's check out the first one. We are given that it starts from the 7th book to the 12th book, and the result is coming 12 cm. So if we look at this, if we subtract both the values, the ending point and the starting point, we get total 5 books. And if we reduce 1 from this and multiply with the thickness, distance of the each book is 3. Like this is 1 book, this is 2nd book, this is 3rd book, each is 3 3 3. We multiply with the 4 books when we get 12. Similarly for the case 2, if we reduce the ending point with the starting, then we are getting the 8. And if we increment it with the value of 1 and multiply with the thickness, then we are getting 22.50. This is the thickness of each book is 2.5 cm. We will getting this output. Let's start the code. First we have to take the inputs. We have to take the 4 inputs. First is the direction, second is the value of m, third value of n, and the next line contains the thickness of the book. And we have to print a distance. Output should be print the distance traveled by the ant in the 2-point format. First we are taking input, taking inputs. First we are taking direction. This should be a string because it is containing letters L or R. Next we are taking starting point. Starting equal to int input. Again we have to take the ending point, which is int input. We just change the variable ending. We have to take the thickness. It should be a float. It is given in the question. Float input. Now we will subtract the starting and the ending point to get the number of the books. Number of books. Now make a variable number of books is equal to ending minus starting. Now in the another case, we have to define the left, making logic and cases, making 2 cases. left and right, left and right. For the left, it should be the number of books minus 1 into the thickness. Control C, we will do this. Number of books, for this is for the left case, minus 1 star with the multiplication of the thickness. Similarly for the right, we have to perform the same procedure, but we have to increment the value with 1. Now results, if direction is equal to L, we have to define it in the quotes because it is a string. Then we have to print in the 2-point format, so we have to take this in curly braces, dot colon 2f, wait, colon dot 2f, then dot format and the name of the variable left. Else, if it is R, then we have to print the right. Control C. Let's try to run the code now. It's passing all the test cases. It's that simple. Hope your all concept is clear. Don't forget to check the description for the GitHub account and the Insta handle. Thank you.